All right.
Alright, good. You know how to sight track. Melina, don't cover your ears.
I don't like the night noise. It just hurt my eardrum.
Baby.
Really, it hurt my eardrum.
Baby.
My eardrum.
You're a baby.
Trigger.
Yeah, you'll get more practice later. Let Melina have one, and then that's it. Hurry up. One more, and then y'all quit, because Hank's having a fit. Hank is losing his mind.
Oh, afterwards.
Sit and pet him, because he's shaking.
About 120 rounds, nothing to say. You have tons of time and what to practice with.
It should be. You might have to manipulate her a little. She needs to move her hand back some.
He is shivering. Okay.
I'm in her hand next to yours. Move that hand back some. Okay, never mind. Don't listen to me.
I think the dog of David Will mind loud noises.
It's probably because Dave and Will aren't here with him.
No, he always does it. Whenever he's going.
There you go, all by yourself.
Hey, don't you ever